ka Ultras Batamai, One Bat Persiang Nyai, ka Kali Ultras Batamai, ka Branch Penmi ka Tata Motors, ki features babon jat bon rukom, One Man Test Drive Frank Motors, Haneng Mobley, like Korni Shillong.
All new Ultras feels special.
O nongilam kaliang persya hapo kaying dorbar thau ain u Dr. Mukul Sangma hakasngin thau ding jong katayo la berngem ban let shim bentalang hagi program yakhi kinong tre ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kibras dang ye ka jing yakhi nado ka hanyo trik unaitung bandawa ye ka tulap ka bala sha set menta la komba saw phulai banai AA Hashwa kani u Dr. Mukul ulayalam yaki MDC ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council banyak kendo yo ulat ke jela u CH Vijaya Shankar ban pensngo halor ke jing ke bagi nong trei bat ki dekat niki MDC ke council ki ye kendo namar ke jing sha set tulap kabala yat mentala sapulai benai haba keren cikilat pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma uloong baka jingle menti ke sarkar hakabede ber ke jing ke bayi kendo ki nong trei bat ki dekat jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala penbitar amtang ye ki pajba ke rilom Garo Hills henry habaro kawai ke jela u Dr. Mukul uluyat ho bawat laki nong trei kala sedang ye ke jing ki nado ka nyotrik unaitung henry hado menta ke executive committee jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council mat ka sarkar kidang le matla namar hado menta kidang sengap menti u Dr. Mukul ong balera ka sarkar kam shimkhia halor kani kan penlong yu ban lum ye ki pajba ka than Garo Hills ban lek kershan lang ye ki nong trei ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council haki program ye ki jongka Nakhaliang MDC ke Kharkutta constituency ucerak W Momin uliyat ho baka jingwan ye kendo yo lat ban pha tuklar halor ke jing sha set tulop ki nong tre jong ke district council ke jing sha pan sange leni pen wan kensan ye ke dorbar ka kerpang ka ba khat saw bat batha ye ke sarkar jilla ban menjor ya ke Garo customary law.
You are aware of the concern with which we have sought an audience with the Honorable Governor, and we had an exhaustive discussion. Our distinguished MDCs were able to articulate the issues concerning our Autonomous District Council and how the insensitivity of the government towards Autonomous District Councils have been articulated in a manner which has reflected our deep concern about the issue. And our MDCs have sought for his kind intervention and to also somehow take up the issue with the authorities in Delhi, with the concerned Union Ministry, and at the same time utilize his distinguished honorable office to deal with all those concerns which have been flagged by our distinguished MDCs. And it is a matter of concern for everybody of the state of Meghalaya that the state of Meghalaya today is witnessing something which has never happened. The level of insensitivity with which the government is handling the issue of Garo's Autonomous District Council. The employees of Garo's Autonomous District Council having not received salary for last consecutive 43 months, and you can understand the impact on the overall functioning of the ADCs. So this issue has to be taken very seriously, and we could at least see that Governor has been very considerate in listening, and then he has listened to the MDCs, and they have also submitted their representation. I will let the MDCs share their views in respect of whatever has been presented in the form of representation by the MDCs. Level of insensitivity with which the government is dealing with the issue of the problem of Garo's Autonomous District Council, in spite of the fact that the employees of Garo's Autonomous District Council who have not received their salary for last 43 months have been agitating since 7th of last month, that means 7th of July, and till now there has been no response whatsoever. It is a reflection of their insensitivity, lack of concern, and dereliction of duty of the highest level. Therefore, it will be necessary for the people to not remain in silence, but it has become necessary for everyone to raise our voice. And I would like to inform the government that if the government does not take this problem into cognizance and fulfill their responsibility, the constitutional responsibility towards addressing this problem of Garo's Autonomous District Council, it will be necessary for us to join the agitation along with the employees of the Garo's Autonomous District Council. And I feel that even the people belonging to all walks of life also should raise their voice and articulate their concern appropriately.
You may be aware that in GHDC, the employees, they have started sit-in demonstration right from 7th of this July, and till date they are doing a demonstration, sit-in demonstration and other like fish rally and all. So it's a matter of concern, big concern, and then they are asking their salary, and they are not asking anything, any schemes, and but they are asking whatever they are supposed to get. See, RD election means now it's almost 9 months, like 8 or 9 months is there for election. So the ruling dispensation, they should know what they have to do. So we are practically very aware about the things what is going on, and then we are ready to face. So he mentioned that he will look into it.